Mustard tree facts. Considered by some people to be the source of the mustard seed mentioned in scripture, the mustard tree Salvadora persica grows wild throughout much of the Middle East and Africa. Generally attaining a height no taller than 25 feet with fleshy, 1.5 to 3 inch leaves, the tree takes advantage of damp conditions near rivers and water holes but can survive on fewer than 8 inches of rainfall per year. It is hardy in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 10 through 11. The mustard tree is not the source of the seeds used to make condiment mustard. Those seeds are harvested from herbs of the Brassica family. As